Join me as I take on the challenge of securing funding for my business in record time. Let's see if I can make it happen in 2025. In today's fast-paced business landscape, getting funding for your venture quickly is crucial to staying ahead of the competition. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you today. Effective strategies to get funding for your business rapidly, specifically tailored for 2025. When it comes to funding, entrepreneurs often face an uphill battle. The competition is fierce, and the traditional funding routes can be slow and tedious. You've got banks with their lengthy application processes, venture capitalists with their stringent requirements, and angel investors who are often few and far between. It's no wonder that many businesses struggle to get the funding they need when they need it. The reality is that funding delays can be disastrous, causing projects to stall and momentum to be lost. And that's why finding fast solutions is more important than ever. The truth is that funding can be a full-time job, taking you away from what matters most, growing your business. And even when you do secure funding, it can come with strings attached, limiting your control and flexibility. It's a conundrum that many entrepreneurs face, and it's one that requires a fresh perspective and a proactive approach. In today's digital age, there are more funding options available to us than ever before. From crowdfunding platforms to microloans and government grants, the opportunities are vast. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming, and it's hard to know where to start. That's why it's essential to understand each option, its benefits, and its drawbacks, so you can make informed decisions that are right for your business. One option that's gained popularity in recent years is crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo have made it possible for entrepreneurs to raise funds from a large number of people, typically in exchange for rewards or equity. It's a great way to validate your product or service, get feedback from customers, and build a community around your brand. But it requires a lot of effort and marketing savvy to create a successful campaign. Microloans are another option that's become increasingly popular. These small, short-term loans are perfect for businesses that need a quick cash injection to get over a hurdle or take advantage of an opportunity. They're often easier to secure than traditional loans, and they can be a great way to build credit and get your business on the radar of lenders. Government grants are also an attractive option for many businesses. These grants are typically awarded to businesses that are working on projects that align with the government's priorities, such as innovation, sustainability, or social impact. They can be a great way to get funding without giving up equity, but they often come with strict requirements and reporting obligations. However, there's one funding strategy that's often overlooked, yet it has the potential to significantly speed up the process. It's a strategy that I've used myself, and it's one that I've seen work wonders for many businesses. It involves building relationships with the right people, providing value up front, and creating a win-win situation that benefits all parties involved. I've seen businesses secure funding in a matter of weeks using this strategy, and it's one that I'm excited to share with you. One business that comes to mind is a startup in the renewable energy space. They were struggling to get funding from traditional sources, but they knew they had a game-changing technology. So they decided to take a different approach. They reached out to industry experts, thought leaders, and potential customers, offering them early access to their technology in exchange for feedback and support. It wasn't long before they had a coalition of supporters who were eager to see them succeed. And with that, they were able to secure funding quickly, without giving up equity or control. This strategy requires a different mindset, one that's focused on collaboration and mutual benefit. It requires you to be proactive, to think outside the box, and to be willing to take risks. But the rewards can be immense, and it's an approach that I believe can work for many businesses. In summary, getting funding for your business quickly requires a combination of strategies, creativity, and perseverance. It requires you to be informed, to be proactive, and to be willing to take calculated risks. By exploring all the options available to you, from crowdfunding to government grants, and by building relationships with the right people, you can increase your chances of securing funding rapidly. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your funding experiences in the comments below. Have you struggled to get funding for your business? What strategies have worked for you? And if you're looking for more insights on business growth strategies, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks to help you take your business to the next level.